Next up is live moments. This is the video category. Moving image is about transporting the viewer into the frame. It's about creating an atmosphere, emotion and feeling. Think about light, colour, texture, sound. Think about how you compose your shots. Think about how the soundtrack and the pace of your edits affects the outcome. Your film could have a gripping storyline, or it could be more abstract, or it could simply be about transporting the viewer to a certain place and time. Your Huawei handset has a ton of features to help you along the way. Try using time-lapse to speed up the world around you, or use the slow-mo to slow everything right down. And on top of that, it can shoot at 4K at 60 frames a second.